can do a thumbs up when you're live. Oh, hello. So you are live. Hi everyone. Sorry about the delay. We were just setting up the live at my house. I still have to figure out कि ये questions मैं यहाँ पे कैसे देखूँ so that I can answer your questions. Hope all of you are doing amazing today. Okay, so Half Girlfriend is going to be playing tomorrow on Z Cinema at 8 p.m. I hope you guys are excited to see it. But I can't see anybody's questions. Sorry, I'll just get some help, guys. There. Okay. Hi guys, hello. Thank you. I'm good. How are you guys? I'm at home right now, chatting with all of you, reading your questions. The shoot of Saho is going very well. I will resume next month. I also have some more questions here, guys. So I think till I wait for these to load, I'll take these. So this was on Twitter by @Somi_BSK. Are there any similarities between Riya Somani and me? Yes, I think one similarity between us would be that we both love music very much, and we both love sports. I really enjoy sports a lot, and I think that we just were, I guess, somewhere also a little in our own world. So I would say that. Now this is at Bilal for SRK. No questions for me. Just want to meet her. Die-hard fan. Please convey this to her. Thank you, Bilal. Sending you a cyber virtual hug. How was your experience working with Arjun Kapoor in Half Girlfriend? This is It's Saurabh. My experience was amazing, Saurabh. Arjun is fantastic to work with. Also, I know him since I was a little kid, and he's really very hardworking, and he would come on set knowing all his dialogues, and he had very, very difficult dialogues. So that was really inspiring to see. Now, Shivam Singh. Ask Shraddha ma'am from my side that how she thought of starting her career in the film industry as an actress, and also ask her if she believes in love. Ask her this question. Please don't forget to mention my name. I've inboxed this question on Instagram page also, so please ask her this question. Your question has been asked, Shivam. How did I think of starting out my career? I think it was since I was a kid. I would just see my dad come home from his film shoots, and he would be in his different kind of get-ups, and I would be very intrigued, and I'd wonder that what is this? What is he doing? And it's so interesting that he's playing so many different kinds of characters. So that's what made me want to be an actor, and here I am today living my dream. And do I believe in love? I definitely believe in love. I think that love is one of the most beautiful things in the world, and love doesn't necessarily only mean that it has to be in a romantic way, which is also of course very beautiful, but just love in general for everyone. Just love people and everybody, your family, your friends. Okay. I don't know if this is working, guys. As you can see, we are trying our best to get all your questions to me. And there are very quiet people here because I'm the only one who has to be talking right now. Okay, in the meanwhile, while they figure this out, Maimuna Shaheen. Oh, there's no question of hers. Okay, sorry. Oh, sorry, it's here. Does Shraddha have interest to act in Kollywood movies because she has so many fans in the South? Thank you so much. Yes, if I get a good film, a good script, a good character, an interesting script, an interesting character to play, then I would love to do any kinds of films. I'm doing my first multilingual right now. Thank you. So yes, I would love to. Okay, I think we have. Okay, thank you guys for your awesome, very, very sweet comments. And I love you guys too. Each and everyone who has said that. They love me. Thank you. Hi, hi, hi guys. Varun, Nitish, Harjivan, Arpan, Nitish, Prasanta, Joy, Ayush. Ayush, I'm fine. How are you, Kunal? I'm good. Thank you. My next movie, Saho and Saina. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Smiley face back at you guys. Hi, hi, hi. No questions, guys. No questions. Half Girlfriend is playing tomorrow at 8 p.m. on Z Cinema. So do catch it.
Yay.
Hi. And my dad has just walked in. So you can wave. He's just come back from his walk.
All the best.
Thanks,
Cheers.
Bapu.
Hi,
Okay, we're back now. Ritu Maheshwari, love you too, Baburi. Love you guys, lots. Okay. Devesh, hi. Okay. I don't think you guys have any questions for me. You guys just want to say hi to me, so I'll keep saying hi back. I'm very good today.
When are you coming to Lucknow?
When am I coming to Lucknow? Whenever I can. I would love to come to Lucknow whenever I can.
Somebody is asking when are you going to do a Marathi movie?
When am I going to do a Marathi movie? Again, when I'm offered a Marathi film. I've not been offered a Marathi film, so...
Somebody is like, hello Shakti ji. Shakti ji is right now not here. What
I will
motivates
convey
you
what-
in life?
What motivates me in life? A lot of things motivate me. You guys motivate me. What I love to do motivates me. Living my dream motivates me. Doing really good work and just keep continuously bettering myself motivates me.
So Sunny Singh is asking, how is the shoot of Saina Nehwal movie going, and can you share something about it?
Hi Sunny, so we actually haven't started shooting for Saina yet. We have some time before we start shooting because I still have to train a lot for it and the process is on, so we will start shooting for it next year.
Nishchal Sethi is like, I am such a crazy fan of yours. I've watched Half Girlfriend thrice in the theatre and really looking forward to the
Oh,
movie.
thank you. And you can watch it again for the 4th time tomorrow, 8 p.m. on Z Cinema.
So, there are a few more questions here. You're a basketball player in the film. In real life, do you really love sports, and which is your favorite sport?
I do really love sports, and when I was in school, I used to play a lot of sports. And I was very excited that when I got to play basketball during Half Girlfriend, and now I get to train to be a badminton player. It's very tough, but it's very exciting and it's very challenging. And in school, I used to be a very good athlete, I would say, in school. And I really loved running and playing football, handball. I really loved it.
Is there something interesting, some similarity between you and Riya Somani? What got you interested in playing the character?
So I think I answered that question before,
Earlier in
saying
life.
yeah.
Okay.
So basically, yeah.
Any fun behind the share experience with, you want to share something between you and Arjun, or somebody who played pranks, who was bullying the other?
You know, when you're shooting a film, you don't only think of like one incident, because so much has happened when you're shooting a movie over so many days, over so many months, sometimes even a couple of years. It depends on how long each film takes to get made. But what I really love about being a part of films and doing movies is that everyone becomes so close when you're shooting for a film, and you just spend so much time with each other. You get to meet new people, you get to interact with people. So I love that part of filmmaking.
So Bibu Bajpai is asking if do you read books, and if yes, what is your favorite book?
Bibu, I really do love reading. I'm trying to catch up on my reading now. So the book that I recently, the few books that I've recently read, I'll tell you, which I really loved, were Sapiens by Yuval Noah Harari. It's an amazing book about just how humankind developed over the years. And also Tuesdays with Maury is a very, very lovely book, which you guys should definitely read these two books.
So Dada Basha is asking, when can we see you and Shakti ji in a movie together?
You know, actually, we've done a cameo in my first film, which was Teen Pati, which a lot of people don't know about. But I would love to do a full-fledged role with him. It would be amazing. I just hope someone offers us. Nobody's offering us what to do.
Vineet Agarwal has a question. Could you sing a line of "मैं फिर भी तुमको चाहूंगी"?
Yes, sure, Vineet. मैं फिर भी तुमको चाहूंगी, मैं फिर भी तुमको चाहूंगी, इस चाहत में मर जाऊंगी, मैं फिर भी तुमको चाहूंगी. And that's to all of you, dedicated to all of you who have tuned in right now.
Himalaya Singh is saying, can you share one favorite childhood memory of yours?
Himalaya, one favorite childhood memory I think would be just dressing up in my dad's clothes and dancing in front of the mirror and doing full-on nautanki. Used to love that, me and my brother together.
Nikhil Mulchandani, from Half Girlfriend, which is your favorite song and why?
Okay, from Half Girlfriend, which is my favorite song and why? You know, it's very tough to choose between मैं फिर भी तुमको चाहूँगा and बारिश.
Bharat Ravi has a question. Hi Shraddha ma'am, how was it learning badminton from Saina Nehwal herself?
Oh, it was amazing. The one day that we actually interacted on the court, and I'd done a few classes, so she saw the way I rally with somebody, or like the way that I would toss or the way that I would serve. So she would of course correct me, and it felt amazing to be corrected. And by just like being on the court with her, she's today's a youth icon. She's a legend. She's an inspiration for all of us. She's an inspiration for me. So it just felt amazing.
Another singing request from Jash Vyas. Could you sing a line of "Stay a Little Longer"?
Okay, Josh. Sure. Will you ever come and find me? Will you ever come and find me? Will you ever be mine? Stay a little longer with me, baby. Won't you stay a little longer with me? Sorry, I cut the song short because then I would just continue singing.
Adil is asking, what is your favorite color?
My favorite color? I've always had a soft spot for purple.
Yes. Any interesting, one sweet little interesting memory from with your mother?
So many are there. One I think would probably be that. So she's my best friend. She's like my sister. She's my mom. So she has an amazing sense of humor. She makes me laugh so much. So we sometimes just talk about the most random things, and we'll only be giggling with ourselves. And I just love those moments with her. And usually those moments are every day in the morning, like when we sit and we have breakfast together.
So you've done a couple of movies around music. Would you be coming out with an album soon?
You know, I love singing, and you know, I've been sorry, this table near. Are you okay? I mean, I love singing, and I've gotten a lot of love from all of you out there. So if there is an opportunity, then I would, you know, I would love to have one. I think
One question.
I have to go after like this one last question, guys, and I'll have to say bye.
Question from Sujata. You're shown to be in love with Barish, Rains, and Half Girlfriend and Baghi. Have you always been a water baby in real life?
I love the rains. I love, you know, our Indian beautiful monsoons of India. They're so beautiful, and it's a pure coincidence that there have been so many rain sequences in the movies that I've done. But it's, I mean, who doesn't like getting wet in the rain? I love getting wet in the rain whenever I can, and I love being at home and just looking out the window and with my dog on the side and one cup of chai. It's too good. So on that note, guys, I'm sorry I couldn't handle or manage it from here. So everybody, the team over here helped me out very sweetly. So thank you all for tuning in. Tomorrow 8 p.m. Half Girlfriend. Watch it on Z Cinema, and thank you for making all the memories of Half Girlfriend so special, for all the love that you guys have given all of us, to our characters, to the film, to the team. It means a lot. So see you.